Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to do a demolition on jalousie windows that are probably over 50 years old, and how to put in a PGT Hurricane window. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the windows open, just kind of extend them, and then you can use a screw gun, or you could use a sawzall and just cut the supports and pull them out, which is probably faster. Because this stuff here, you're not going to keep it. You're going to end up just throwing it away, unless you can find somebody who wants to put in 50-year-old jalousie windows. I don't think you're going to keep it. Now you got to go around and you got to get all the screws out. And once you've got the screws out, then you've got to cut the caulk so it releases it from its purchase on that window framing. And we cut the middle of it too, so when you pull it up, it kind of uses leverage and pops it right out of there. Then you can just pull it out. All right, so once you got it all out, you got to put your window in. You got to clean it a little bit too. And then we just pull it in here. Now this is a second-story window. So he's got to run down there and crawl up the ladder and hold it, because before we can drill our holes and put our screws in, we got to make sure it's got good purchase and it's set in that frame good. And there he is. And now we're looking around, making sure it's in, making sure it's square, making sure that it's exactly where we want it. He's going to push that window up first, and what we're going to do is we're going to drill 2 holes in the top, put in 2 big Hurricane screws up there. Then we push the window up and we're going to get them on the side, and we're going to put 2 on either side. And you want to have good tools, by the way. You're going to use a good driver with a strong battery, and put your Hurricane screws in there. And once you got that, you pull the window down. You got to put 2 screws in the upper quadrant on either side. All right, so he's bringing him the caulk. So while we've already got it kind of fastened in there on the top and the sides, all we got to do is put our other screws there. He's going to go ahead and start caulking the outside. The caulking is extremely important. You want to make sure that that caulk's on there good, and you've got a good bead, and it covers any place that any moisture could get in. Otherwise, you could have leaks in your wall. So it's important for that caulk to be done well. As a matter of fact, it takes longer to do the caulk than it does to screw the window into the frame, and you're going to see that in a second. So I am speeding this up, of course, and so you're going to see him do it very rapidly, but it's got to be done carefully. And when you see it at like 1,000 times the speed, it looks like he's really moving quickly. But believe me, he's taking his time and making sure it's in there properly. And once he's got that outside all caulked properly, he's going to go ahead and clean that window to the best of his ability on that second story. And then he's got to come in and caulk the interior. So you got to make sure that you've got a good caulk on the interior too. You want to make sure it's weatherproof and sealed well. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and grab our cleaning agent and clean the inside of the window so that it looks super clean when you're looking out, and you've got a nice, beautiful finished job. And then the last thing we have to do is put the shades back up, or the blinds, I should say. And then that's it, man. Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.